My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and today I'm going to be talking to you about one of my favourite varieties. This is one of those varieties that got me into growing flavour in the first place. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the fantastic chocolate mint. So what is chocolate mint? Well, chocolate mint is in the peppermint family, but it's a very, very sweet variety of peppermint. And that sweetness, coupled with the dark peppermint, kind of tricks both your brain and your taste buds into getting that very rich, sweet, chocolatey flavour. After eights, if you will. Now, the name and the smell, it's not just a gimmick, it's really, really useful in the kitchen. A few years ago at the BBC Good Food Show, one of the demo chefs there recommended to me that you could use the leaf of chocolate mint chopped up on a steak. That kind of makes sense, because on the continent, it's not uncommon to have a chocolate sauce on your steak. I know I had a fantastic steak in Belgium once with a chocolate sauce on it, and it tasted amazing. We're so lucky being able to do events like BBC Good Food Show, because what we do here, growing flavour, we meet so many fantastic chefs that like to experiment, and they suggest ideas like that we wouldn't have thought of in the first place. What else can you do with chocolate mint? Well, chocolate mint is a variety that is just begging to be used to make a herbal tea. Peppermint tea is amazing anyway, but the sweetness in these leaves just makes it a really special, soothing tea, one that we really love. Chocolate mint is also a fantastic topping for a dessert. If you add a little bit of chocolate mint on the top of ice cream, it's beautiful, really fantastic. I think that chocolate mint looks really good too. It's quite architectural. The leaves on chocolate mint are such a lovely shade of green. The stems are really strong and distinctive. I love the enthusiasm with which this variety grows. Chocolate mint is certainly an enthusiastic grower. You're going to want to keep this in a pot because it wants to travel. It wants to get all over your garden. Trust me, we've done that. Keep this variety in a pot. Keep it contained. You need to cut the plant regularly. Bunch the leaves together. Cut the top third. Don't worry, this is an enthusiastic grower. It's going to grow back really quickly and keep you well stocked with herbal tea for months to come. Plant the chocolate mint in full sun or partial shade in some good quality compost. We wouldn't recommend planting the chocolate mint with other varieties because it's going to spread into them and compete with them, and neither of them will enjoy that. Wish that you guys could smell how good this plant smells just through the camera. It is divine. While I'm talking to you, I can really smell the aroma from this plant. It just makes you want to go into the kitchen and experiment with this fantastic flavour. We've actually got a chocolate mint on our patio at the moment, and in the morning when I open the door, the smell hits me straight away. It is such a strong flavour. It's not subtle in any way, and I absolutely love that. Chocolate mint is one of those varieties that when customers smell it, their reaction just makes me love my job all over again. You think, surely it can't smell of chocolate. And each time you smell it, you're surprised. And I think that's magical and fantastic. My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and I've just introduced you to the fantastic chocolate mint. This really is one of our favourite plants that we grow here, guys. We wish that you could smell this plant right now. I'm going to go off for a cup of chocolate mint tea. Thank you so much for following and subscribing. Until next time, see you later, guys. Thank you so much.